A Gold IRA, or individual retirement account, allows investors to hold gold as part of their retirement savings. This option offers diversification beyond traditional stocks and bonds, protecting against inflation and economic uncertainties, attracting those seeking stability in their retirement investments. Selecting a reliable custodian is crucial for managing a Gold IRA. Investors should choose an IRS-approved custodian experienced in precious metals. Thoroughly vetting these candidates involves reviewing their credentials, reputation, and compliance with IRS regulations, ensuring a secure and legally compliant retirement investment. Funding a Gold IRA can be accomplished through rollovers from existing retirement accounts or direct transfers. Rollovers are common from 401(k)s or traditional IRAs, enabling investors to diversify retirement savings into gold seamlessly without tax penalties, preserving the tax-deferred status. Purchasing IRS-approved gold involves selecting eligible gold types and coordinating with a custodian for the buy. Secure storage by the custodian is crucial, typically in IRS-approved depositories, ensuring full compliance and safeguarding the investments against theft or loss.